Hello guys, today we are going to have one Spring Boot application. We are going to create one Spring Boot application. The Spring Boot application is we are creating a Spring Boot application in Eclipse IDE. How we are going to create Spring Boot application? Using a Spring initializer which is provided by Spring Boot, and the Spring initializer is website is start.spring.io. In start.spring.io we are going to download a ready-made Spring application. Here we have to select language as Java. We are going to code in Java, that's why we have chosen Java. And we want for Spring Boot application we want Maven, so we have chosen Maven. And for Spring Boot, which version we want to work on, we have chosen 3.3.3. These are all unstable versions, that's why we haven't choose this type of versions. This type of versions are crash versions, and this is a stable version 3.3, 3.3.3 and 3.4.0 into and 3.2.9 is a stable version. And now I am going to choose 3.3.3, and the group name is package name com dot my app. Artifact is the name of the project. Now we are going to have the project name as the artifact name is that the project name. Here the project name is, we are going to do some prime number, check whether the prime number is that the number is prime or not. That's why the project name is prime check prime number. The name of the project is also the same, the prime number, and here the description. And package name is, here we have given the group name as com.myapp. The package name is com.myapp.prime number, because the project name is prime number. So here we have to pick the packaging as jar or var. We want jar file, so we are selecting jar. And Java version is, we are doing in a Java version called in a 17 version, so we have chosen 17 version. Here we have to select the dependencies. Here we are going to get web application. We are doing web application, so I have chosen the Spring Web. And here I am generating the project. I am saving it in internship projects. I am saving it. It is a zip file. We have to unzip it. Yes, here we have to unzip the file. Extract here. The project is unzipped. Here it is. I'm going to take one new folder as project 3 because after I'll get confused, so I have taken one new folder. In that folder I'm dumping all the generated files now. See, here we have prime number project. And in Eclipse, how we can take that project here? We have to go for file, import. In import, Maven. In Maven, existing Maven project. It is in local folder, right? That's why it is an existing Maven project. Next, we have to choose where it is. Internship projects. Project 3, prime number. Finish. Here we have project. It is going to load all the files. We have to give some minutes to load. There are only 3 to 4 files. 4 to 5 files. Then it is going to create on. At first it will be Java project, then it is going to take as Maven, so that all the files will get downloaded. Okay, we have the main Spring Boot application to run. And now in this project, how we are going to run this project? Normally, right click on the project, run as Maven build. What is the command to run the project? Clean Spring Boot : run. Click the run button. See, it is scanning the project and it is building prime number with a snapshot. Snapshot is nothing but it is a crash file, means crash project. It is in a building state, not it is already built, it is in a building state. That's why it is in a snapshot. See here we got yes. Yes, the Tomcat is started. The Tomcat is started on port 8080 with context of path. I'm going to stop this application. After some modification, we will run the application. Okay, what we are going to modify, I'm going to add one more package here as com dot controller. Okay, finish. We got one package. In that package I am going to create one class. The class is of, we are going to do prime number. On prime number we are going to do some operations, right? So I am going to create the class as prime controller. Okay, finish. Here we have prime controller class. In that class we have to do some prime we have to check, we have to code. What we have to code? We have to give one number, whether it is a prime or not, we have to check in that class, right? So with the help of ChatGPT we are going to know that how do we create prime controller. So in ChatGPT what we have to give? Expose Spring Boot application for prime controller API with request expose Spring Boot Restcontroller application for prime number for prime controller API with request. See, it is giving prime request, and here it is giving prime number controller.java file. I'm going to copy the code in Restcontroller, that is prime number controller. I'm going to paste here. We have to import these annotations. Here we have to give annotation as rest controller for all annotations. I'm going to import all the annotations. Here the prime request we have to create one more class. For that we have to take another package. It is not controller, it is a request. Finish. And in this we are going to take one class as prime request. Prime request. Right? Finish. In prime request we have already, the ChatGPT has given a prime request class also. So we are going to copy that. Now we have prime controller.java and prime request, right? Now we are going to run this project. Whether it will going to run or not, we will check. Okay, what is the command for to run the application? Clean spring boot -boot :run. Is running, right? The Spring Boot application is running. Yeah. We got Tomcat started on port 8080 with context /. Now I'm going to change the application properties here in src mains resources. In application property, I'm going to change the server. How to change the server? Server dot port is equals to 8083 I'm going to give. Okay, on this port it has to run. I have made it changes here. Now again I am going to run the project. Again I am going to run the application. For that, clean spring boot :run. Hit run. Project is going, the application is running on which port? Now we have changed the port, and the port has to be changed here also. The Tomcat started on port 8083. The port has changed. The old port is 8080. Now we have modified the port as server.port is equals to 8083 in application.properties. So the Tomcat server started on port 8083. It is working. Then I'm going to stop this right now. Okay. If any changes I have made here, for example, I'm changing here printing statement. It is not, I'm going to change this as not prime number. This changes has to be applied immediately while running the application, right? I'm going to run once again the application. it is running. But what if I modified here while the server is running, and is it going to be changed there also in the server? Yes, I'll do this now. Is not a prime number. Yes, I have changed this. The server is remains same. The server is running on the old, what we haven't changed before, it is running on that. But I have changed now. It is not modified while running. So for that we have a solution. In pom.xml, I'll stop this server. In pom.xml, we have to add devtool. The Spring Boot has given a dependency called devtool, where devtool which helps to change what we have modified in our project. It is going to affected in server also while running. Can I do that? I'm going to take that devtool dependency from, I want a Spring Boot devtool dependency. Yes, Maven repository org.springframework.boot devtool. In what version we are running this project? 3.3.3, right? I'm going to choose that. Yes, on that version only we have devtool dependency. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this in pom.xml, where we have to copy. See here we have dependencies, dependency close, dependency close. In this, in dependency to this dependency is close, I'm going to paste this inside dependencies.